Hey there folks, welcome to Gared on the Go, and I am with my beautiful fiance Ariel and her incredible family. There's just part of them. And we are heading on the Disney Fantasy for a New Year's cruise to bring in 2024. Come along this journey as we have some fun. Ariel loves this ship.
I do.
I've been on it several times. She's Pearl status, that's 25 plus. I'm not quite there yet, but we'll get there. But yeah, welcome aboard and thanks for joining us. They've called our boarding group. We're boarding group 2. We got Rex, Diane, Jasmine, Jonathan, Ariel, Madeline. We're hopping on board the Disney Fantasy. Disney Fantasy! Welcome on board the Fantasy. We're on the pool deck. They're cleaning it, making it look all nice for the guests, but it is great to be on board this one. I've been on the Wish a few times the past few cruises, but now back on the Fantasy, and it is a crowd favorite. I really like it too. Beautiful. Gladiator, Hercules. Johnny, where are we? Nassau. What? We're in Cabanas, getting our grub on. Ariel got some, oh, she got some noodles, some cupcake. I got the chicken tenders. And then we got everyone on. We got Madeline, oh yeah. Got Jazzy, Ariel. Relaxing in the rainforest room before the ship takes off, just taking it all in. You know, we got some happy little clouds with some stars twinkling. It's majestic. Girls, where are we?
The Cove.
The Cove Cafe. And what do we get in the Cove Cafe?
Lattes.
Lattes, hot chocolate, or water. Rex got Darth Vader. gosh, we're just gonna roll with it. Ooh, would you look at that? Oh yeah. Here we go into the room. Oh! Birthday! Happy birthday! It's my day.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, look at that. Fruit and cheese platter.
You got the cheese platter?
Yeah. Welcome to our stateroom. The room we just entered is where Aaron and I and a few others are staying, and then this room is where the rest of the family will be. This room doesn't have any sort of celebration. They're not as cool as us, but you know, big old stateroom. Still have. Oh, I almost hit the fire alarm. That would have been bad. If you're on the Wander, Magic, Fantasy, or the Dream, if you want to know which direction you're going, you look at the ground. And see, that's all pointing up, so that's the forward part of the ship. And then if it's going, you know, the stars are pointing backwards, or it looks like it's upside down, that's heading towards the back. So you have the forward and the aft. Ariel, what is that around your neck?
This?
Yeah.
This is my pearl lanyard.
Pearl? What does that even mean?
It means that you've cruised 25, 26?
25.
25.
25 times!
Mm-hmm.
I haven't been on 25 cruises yet, but I'm Pearl in spirit. But they've also got, you know, platinum and gold. Yeah, you know, big ballers out here. right, everyone, it is the time of the afternoon or evening where we are going to go into Remy and have a lovely French meal, cooked, of course, by none other than Remy the Rat from Ratatouille. It's his restaurant, after all. So thank you all for joining us on this day of embarkation, and we'll just see what's in store for tomorrow. So until tomorrow, this has been Gared, day 1 on Gared on the Go of the Disney Fantasy, and it's been a pleasure. Win. Madeline the model.
One second.